So, you've got a phone, maybe an electric car. These devices are powered by batteries. But have you ever stopped to think about how these batteries are made? It's a fascinating process that combines chemistry, engineering, and a lot of high-tech machinery. Ever wondered how their batteries are made? Well, you're in luck, because today we're taking you on an exclusive tour inside a state-of-the-art battery factory. Let's take a wild ride into a high-tech battery factory. From raw materials to the final product, you'll see every step of the process. It all begins with raw materials. These are the building blocks of any battery, and their quality is crucial for the performance of the final product. We're talking lithium compounds for the cathode, graphite for the anode, and other essential elements. These materials are carefully sourced and stored in controlled environments to maintain their purity. And let's not forget the special electrolyte that lets ions flow between the anode and cathode. This electrolyte is a critical component that ensures the battery can store and release energy efficiently. Imagine mixing these powders with solvents to create a thick paste called slurry. Think of it like battery cookie dough. This slurry is meticulously prepared to ensure the right consistency and chemical composition. Next, this slurry gets coated onto thin metal sheets, aluminum for the cathode, copper for the anode. This coating process is highly precise, ensuring a uniform layer that will perform consistently. These coated sheets are then baked in giant industrial ovens to dry them out. This step is crucial for removing any remaining solvents and solidifying the active materials onto the metal sheets. The result? Long rolls of energy-packed electrodes. These rolls are the heart of the battery, containing the materials that will store and release energy. It's like baking the world's most high-tech cookies. But instead of chocolate chips, you've got lithium and graphite. But we're not done yet. The next steps are just as critical for ensuring the battery's performance and safety. These coated foils are then squeezed between massive rollers to make them super flat, boosting performance. This rolling process also helps to remove any air bubbles and ensures a uniform thickness. After that, they're sliced into strips just the right size for individual cells. Precision is key here, as even a small deviation can affect the battery's performance. Now comes the fun part, assembly. This is where the battery really starts to take shape. The anode, separator, and cathode are either stacked or rolled into shape, creating sandwiches of energy. These layers are carefully aligned to ensure optimal performance. These are placed into a casing to form pouch, prismatic, or cylindrical cells. The type of casing used depends on the intended application of the battery. In ultra-dry rooms, each cell is filled with electrolyte and sealed tight. This step is performed in a controlled environment to prevent any contamination. Think Sahara Desert levels of dry, any moisture could ruin the battery. The dry room ensures that the electrolyte remains pure and effective. Next, it's time for formation and testing. This is where the battery is brought to life. The battery is charged and discharged for the first time to build a protective layer, known as the solid electrolyte interface. This layer is crucial for the battery's longevity and performance. Then tested for capacity, safety, and internal resistance. These tests ensure that each battery meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Finally, each cell is graded based on performance. Only the best cells make it to the final stages of production. The best ones are packed into battery modules and sent off to power EVs, smartphones, or even giant grid batteries. These modules are assembled with precision to ensure they perform reliably in their final applications, smartphones, or even giant grid batteries. Each application has its own specific requirements, and the batteries are designed to meet these needs. And that's how a battery is born, from powder to power. It's a complex and fascinating journey that involves many steps and a lot of expertise. If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash that like button and subscribe for more energy tech deep dives. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology and innovation.